Hey guys! Today we have the 10 best and latest Ryobi tools for all the professionals and DIYers out there. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Ryobi 1 plus Handheld Cultivator. Let's start with the Ryobi RY18 HCA cordless handheld cultivator. This compact and sleek tool is going to be a versatile addition to your gardening tool lineup. It is ideal for removing weeds and rejuvenating raised planting beds. Plus, this cultivator comes with a lightweight and small design that makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces without disturbing your existing plants. Whether you're working in confined garden areas or tackling small patches of weeds, the Ryobi RY18 HCA provides the convenience and efficiency needed to maintain a well-kept garden with minimal effort. Next up, a 2-in-1 cleaning tool from Ryobi that combines mopping and vacuuming for dual-action cleaning. Introducing the SWIFTClean Wet Dry Stick Vacuum Kit. With the unique SWIFTClean technology, this tool efficiently handles both wet and dry debris on various hard floors such as hardwood, tile, stone, and luxury vinyl. Its 10-inch cleaning width ensures thorough edge cleaning, while 1+ HP technology enhances power, runtime, durability, and speed with advanced brushless motors and lithium technology. For tough messes, the Max mode provides an extra boost of suction. The LED display shows battery charge, solution status, max mode, and tank capacity, ensuring easy operation. Dual tanks keep clean and dirty water separate for a fresh clean, and LED headlights illuminate your path. The vacuum features a self-cleaning cycle and comes with a self-cleaning stand for convenient storage. Ryobi RTS 18C0 Brushless Tile Saw. Here's another small but efficient tool that comes on our list. The Ryobi RTS 18C0 Brushless Tile Saw. This saw might look like it was made to do some light cutting, but it comes with enough power that will let you take on any demanding tile cutting project. This handheld cordless tool is made for versatility and precision. Capable of wet or dry cutting, it delivers impressive speeds of up to 10,800 revolutions per minute, allowing it to effortlessly cut through ceramic tile, masonry, glass, and natural stone. This tile saw features a 127mm diamond cutting disc for durability, and a water tank for efficient wet cutting. Meanwhile, it also comes with a parallel guide that stands for the most accurate cuts possible. Additionally, it includes onboard wrench storage for quick and convenient blade changes, so that you can face off any tiling project. Ryobi SpeedBench Mobile Workstation. Now here's a new tool from Ryobi. The SpeedBench Mobile Workstation is a versatile 2-in-1 product that quickly transforms from a cart to a workbench with one fluid motion. This tool is perfect for working and storing tools anywhere. Its durable design features a large 42 by 22-inch solid woodwork surface with a 400-pound weight capacity so that you can do 4-sided edge clamping and tool mounting. The work surface includes convenient SAE metric measurement and protractor lines for easy reference. The workstation comes with link accessory rails that can be mounted in multiple locations. When converted to cart orientation, it features a sturdy steel frame, a heavy-duty 19-inch skid plate, and 10-inch all-terrain wheels. It means you can transport up to 300 pounds of materials effortlessly across any work site. Ryobi 40 VHP Brushless 1200 PSI Pressure Washer. This is the Ryobi Brushless 1200 PSI 1.0 GPM Pressure Washer. This tool offers powerful and portable cleaning without the hassle of cords. From washing cars and boats to cleaning patio furniture, sidewalks, and bricks, you can tackle any job with ease. With a 40-volt 12-amp-hour battery, it provides 40 minutes of runtime, making it perfect for light-duty jobs. You can use it around the yard with a standard garden hose or on the go with the included siphon hose to draw water from any fresh source. The pressure washer features 2 modes. The first one is the Eco mode, which operates at 900 psi for extended runtime. Another one is a high mode that operates 1200 psi for maximum power. Its lightweight design ensures easy transportation, and the 3 included nozzles, stored directly on the unit, cater to various cleaning needs. Ryobi 18V1 Plus Multi-Size Ratchet. Expand your toolkit with the Ryobi Multi-Size Ratchet, a versatile tool compatible with different sized drive sockets. It delivers up to 35 foot-pounds of torque and speeds up to 260 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for automotive work, installation projects, and various maintenance tasks. The Ratchet features a 1/2-inch anvil that also accepts 1/4-inch hex driver bits for added versatility. Switching socket sizes is simple with a release latch on the ratchet head. The 4-position rotating ratchet head and variable speed metal paddle trigger allow you to reach and control the tool from multiple angles and grips. Dual onboard LED work lights ensure visibility in dimly lit areas. Ryobi 40 VHP brushless 18 inches chainsaw. The Ryobi 18-inch chainsaw is a high-performance tool designed to replace gas chainsaws, offering more power than a traditional 40cc gas model. Featuring 40-volt HP technology, it combines a robust brushless motor, advanced electronics, and high-performance lithium technology to ensure greater power, longer runtime, and enhanced durability. With the included 6-amp-hour battery, it delivers over 90 cuts per charge, and its premium full-house chain ensures faster cutting and extended runtime. The 18-inch bar and chain can handle cuts up to 32-inch, perfect for felling, bucking, and limbing tasks. This chainsaw includes an automatic oiler for continuous chain lubrication, a mechanical chain brake for kickback protection, and a variable speed trigger for maximum control. Additionally, it features a combination wrench stored on the tool for precise chain tension adjustments. Introducing the Ryobi 1/4-inch hex shank drill pump, a versatile tool that easily connects to any drill or impact driver using its 1/4 hex shank. This compact and powerful pump delivers a flow rate of up to 10 GPM, making it ideal for quick and efficient water transfers. With a 10-foot lift height and 35 feet head height, it can handle a wide range of water transfer projects, from large tasks like emptying camper RV tanks to smaller jobs like moving water to or from a fish tank, bathtub, or washing machine. Its portable design ensures easy transportation and storage, making it a convenient solution for various water displacement needs. Plus, SWIFTClean Spot Cleaner. Looking for a hassle-free solution to tackle everyday spills and messes? Meet the SWIFTClean Spot Cleaner from Ryobi. This tool is perfect for tackling everyday spills and messes with ease. This cordless, lightweight spot cleaner offers powerful suction and a powered scrub brush to effortlessly agitate and lift debris, making it ideal for fresh spill cleanups on upholstery, car seats, stairs, carpets, and more. Its cordless portability allows you to clean on the go and prevent stains from setting in. With the SWIFTClean, you can easily spray solution, scrub, and lift stains without the hassle of traditional manual methods. The included 6-ounce Ryobi OxyCleaning solution is ready to use without the need for diluting or mixing, making spill cleanups quick and convenient. 1 plus 325 CFM Jet Fan Blower. To end today's list, here we have kept the 325 CFM Jet Fan Blower of Ryobi. This tool is here to make outdoor cleanup a breeze. Its powerful motor delivers an impressive 325 CFM, effortlessly clearing dry leaves and debris from your lawn, driveway, and sidewalks. With speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, this blower is designed for efficiency and effectiveness. And the best part? You won't have to deal with messy gas or tangled cords. Just grab your battery-powered blower and go. With the included lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 15 minutes of runtime, ensuring you have enough power to get the job done. Plus, the variable speed trigger gives you ultimate control, allowing you to adjust the airflow to suit different surfaces and conditions. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.